Have you ever wondered what incredible gadgets Amazon is quietly hiding from millions of shoppers? Today, we're revealing 15 mind-blowing Amazon finds that are so smart, so useful, and so cool. You'll be asking yourself one question: how did I not know these existed? Oura Ring 4. Think fitness trackers are impressive? Wait until you see the Oura Ring 4. This tiny smart ring packs advanced health tracking into a sleek design you'll barely notice on your finger. It monitors your sleep, heart rate, stress, body temperature, daily activity, and many other wellness metrics around the clock, then turns that data into personalized insights through its companion app. With up to a week of battery life and a lightweight, comfortable fit, it's an effortless way to stay on top of your health without wearing a bulky smartwatch. Enabot EBO Air 2 Plus. Imagine having a smart robot that keeps an eye on your home even when you're miles away. The Enabot EBO Air 2 Plus features a sharp 3K camera, night vision, and two-way video calling, so you can check in on your family or pets anytime. It can roam around your home with ease, while built-in AI adds interactive features like answering questions and telling stories. When the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging dock, making it a truly hands-free smart home companion. Levitating bulb lamp. At first glance, it looks like magic, but it's actually clever technology in action. The levitating bulb lamp uses magnetic levitation to make its LED bulb float and slowly spin in mid-air, creating a stunning visual effect that instantly grabs attention. Its warm, soft light is perfect for a bedroom, office, or gaming setup, while the minimalist wooden base adds a premium touch. More than just a lamp, it's a futuristic conversation piece that makes any desk or room feel straight out of a sci-fi movie. Divoom Times Gate. If your desk setup feels boring, the Divoom Times Gate is about to change that. This futuristic cyberpunk-style display features 5 vibrant screens that can show pixel art, animated graphics, weather updates, world clocks, stock information, and more through a Wi-Fi connection. Using the companion app, you can customize the display with millions of community designs or create your own unique animations. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or tech enthusiast, this gadget adds both personality and useful information to your workspace. Shokz OpenRun. Oh, c'est cool. Want to enjoy your music without blocking out the world around you? The Shokz OpenRun Pro 2 features an open-ear design that lets you hear your surroundings while delivering rich, powerful audio. It's perfect for runners, cyclists, and anyone who loves outdoor workouts. With a lightweight, secure fit and up to 12 hours of battery life, these headphones stay comfortable even during long training sessions. Plus, AI-powered microphones help reduce background noise, making your calls sound clear wherever you are. Divoom Ditoo Mini Retro Speaker. Don't let its tiny size fool you. The Divoom Ditoo Mini 2 is much more than a Bluetooth speaker. Inspired by a retro desktop computer, it features a vibrant pixel display that lets you create custom animations, messages, and artwork through the companion app. It also doubles as an alarm clock, white noise machine, and productivity timer, making it perfect for any desk setup. With surprisingly clear sound and endless customization options, it's a fun gadget that blends nostalgia with modern tech. 10-in-1 USB-C hub. One USB-C port just isn't enough anymore, and that's where this 10-in-1 USB-C hub comes in. It instantly transforms a single port into a complete workstation with 4 KHDMI, high-speed USB ports, Gigabit Ethernet, SD and micro SD card readers, a 3.5mm audio jack, and 100-watt power delivery. It even includes customizable shortcut buttons and a smooth volume knob for added convenience. Whether you're editing videos, working remotely, or expanding your laptop's connectivity, this compact hub makes multitasking faster and more efficient. 150,000 revolutions per minute. Cordless car vacuum cleaning. Your car doesn't have to be a hassle anymore. The 150,000 revolutions per minute. Cordless car vacuum delivers powerful suction that easily removes dust, crumbs, pet hair, and stubborn dirt from seats, carpets, and hard-to-reach corners. Despite its impressive performance, it's lightweight, cordless, and comfortable to use with one hand. Dual rechargeable batteries provide extended cleaning time, while the washable HEPA filter captures fine particles for a deeper clean. It's a must-have gadget for keeping your car, home, or office spotless with minimal effort. 95 kilopascals vacuum sealer stop throwing away spoiled food and start saving money with the 95 kilopascals vacuum sealer. Equipped with powerful dual pumps and multiple sealing modes, it keeps meats, vegetables, snacks, and even liquids fresh for much longer than traditional storage methods. The one-touch locking handle and easy-to-use controls make sealing quick and effortless, while the built-in bag, storage, and cutter add extra convenience. Whether you're meal prepping, preserving leftovers, or buying groceries in bulk, this gadget is a smart upgrade for any modern kitchen. Self-leveling laser level. Whether you're hanging pictures, installing shelves, or tackling a full DIY project, the self-leveling laser level makes every job faster and more accurate. It automatically aligns itself to project perfectly straight horizontal and vertical lines, helping you avoid costly mistakes. The bright green laser remains easy to see indoors, while multiple brightness settings and a durable, dust and water-resistant design make it reliable in different working conditions. It's a must-have tool for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals who demand precision every time. Foldable Bluetooth keyboard. Need a full-size keyboard without carrying the extra bulk? The foldable Bluetooth keyboard is designed for people who work on the go. It folds down small enough to fit in a backpack or even a large pocket, yet unfolds into a comfortable keyboard for typing emails, documents, or notes. Compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android devices, it connects wirelessly in seconds and offers long battery life on a single charge. It's the perfect travel companion for students, remote workers, and frequent travelers. Machine Key Finder. We've all wasted time searching for lost keys or a misplaced remote, but the key finder makes those frustrating moments a thing of the past. Simply attach the small receivers to your everyday items, then press the matching button on the remote to trigger a loud beep and bright LED light. With an impressive wireless range, it helps you locate keys, wallets, remotes, luggage, and more in seconds. It's a simple yet incredibly practical gadget that can save you time and eliminate everyday stress. Digital wall clock. A clock should do more than just tell time, and the digital wall clock proves it. Its large, easy-to-read LED display shows the time, date, day of the week, and indoor temperature, making it perfect for homes, offices, or workshops. Automatic brightness adjustment keeps the screen comfortable to view day or night, while the included remote control lets you change settings without getting up. Simple, modern, and incredibly practical, it's a smart upgrade that makes everyday life a little more convenient. Magnetic pickup tool. Dropping a tiny screw or bolt in a hard-to-reach spot can be incredibly frustrating, but the magnetic pickup tool solves that problem in seconds. Its powerful magnetic tip easily grabs screws, nails, bolts, and other metal objects, while the flexible neck bends to reach tight spaces behind furniture, inside engines, or under workbenches. Built-in LED lights improve visibility in dark areas, and the magnetic base allows hands-free use on metal surfaces. It's an affordable yet incredibly useful tool for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who loves fixing things. Gooseneck phone holder. Whether you're watching videos, attending virtual meetings, or recording content, the Gooseneck phone holder keeps your phone exactly where you need it. Its flexible metal arm bends to almost any angle, while the sturdy clamp securely attaches to desks, bedside tables, or kitchen counters. The upgraded design minimizes shaking, giving you a stable hands-free viewing experience. Compatible with most smartphones, it's perfect for streaming, reading recipes, video calls, or creating content without constantly holding your phone. And that's our list of 15 amazing Amazon gadgets that prove the coolest tech isn't always the easiest to find. Which gadget was your favorite, and is there one you'd add to your wish list? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to NextTechTools, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Amazon finds, smart gadgets, and future tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.